My name is Arindam Gupta, and I'm a principal architect overseeing integration architecture for Fannie Mae. Fannie Mae is a rather unique institution in that, we are in the secondary mortgage business. So we work behind the scenes to provide liquidity to the lenders who actually issue the real mortgage to the end consumers. End of 2007, 2008, right? The recession had hit, things were melting, and we were really in the middle of that biggest crisis we have had in more than a century. And one thing that we realized was the federal government was asking us to react to that crisis at a pace that we had not anticipated. And when we had to go and re-architect or redo a lot of the orchestrations, we figured, like many of the other large financial companies, that we had monolithic systems with batch-based interfaces that were brittle, that were point-to-point, and we just could not scale. Like any other situation, right, with challenges, we saw that there are opportunities. We realized that we needed not only the ability to deliver faster and faster, but it also needed a very robust, highly available, fault-tolerant infrastructure. We finally ended up with Tibco. I mean, it was absolutely a clear winner. We didn't have any doubt about it. The entire enterprise data infrastructure, which is one of the largest data infrastructure in the country, is now completely orchestrated using BusinessWorks and EMS. We run a $500 billion business on this platform. Of course, it works seamlessly behind the scene. We are basically moving towards event-driven orchestration of business processes rather than batch-based and schedule-driven orchestration. And we were able to complete this integration in about 18 months. Today, what is happening? Let me give you an example. We get this servicing data when homeowners, they make their mortgage payments. The servicers then send us that data. We have 91 upstream systems feeding data into that centralized infrastructure. And then that infrastructure turning around and feeding 118 downstream systems with another 145 downstream systems in the pipeline before it would take downstream systems in Fannie Mae between 2 to 5 days to get that information once that data landed in Fannie Mae, because it was all batch driven and schedule driven and all that, right? Today, it is within minutes. It is making a fundamental difference in the way we deal with real-time analytics, fraud, and accounting. It always helps to have the right kind of guidance, and we are grateful that early when we started our journey, we got the right kind of guidance from the Tibco engineers and the architects, because you can have the best tool and a bad design, and you can still have a bad outcome.